Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine, and I hope that you must have completed my notes. I think so. Huh? Please complete that notes. Okay. Now today I'll I will be going to start a new lesson. That is new block 2, houses, then and now. Now you have already learnt about, in third class you have learnt about shelter, home, different types of houses like houseboat, igloo, and then here hut, okay, tent house, caravan and igloo. All these different types of houses, as well as a home, right? That is the materials also you have learned. Hut, okay, they are very temporary house, and houses built with cement, they are known as pakka house, kacha house and pakka house also you have learned. Okay, so now houses in then and now. Now what is then? Then is early, past, before how the houses were there in past, and now at present how it is. Now S1, different types of houses. Why do we need a house? Everybody needs a house, but why? To protect ourselves from heat, rain, cold, wild animals and other dangers, right? Now second question, do all houses look same, children? No, they are different in many ways. So now different types of houses. Now some houses may be too costly for some people. Number one, some houses may be too costly for some people. Second one, some people may want to live in big houses. They want to live in big houses. Some they like. Or sometimes more members are there. So in that also they need big house. Third one, some people may want to live in small houses. Like if there are 2 or 4 members, they don't want such a big house. They want to live in small house. That is also different types of houses they like to live. Children, open your reader, page number 16. Open your reader, page number 16. Houses, then and now. Now here, children, we all need a house to live in thousands of years ago. When people moved from one place to another in search of food, they lived in caves. That is early man. How they used to wander in the, and they used to live in caves those times. Today we have different types of houses. There are different reasons why we have so many types of houses. All houses give us shelter from rain, heat and other dangers. Types of houses. In India, houses are usually built of mud, bamboo, straw, cement, bricks and wood. Some houses may have many rooms, even 10, while others may have just one room. So in some houses they have 10 rooms also, and some they have only one room also. Slums. What is slums? Slums usually have one room. Some houses may be single story, while others may be double or multi-story. Now you can see this is a single story and your multi-story building, right? This is a single story, that means first floor, that is known as single story. Whereas multi-story building, they have so many floors, right? 10, 15, 50 also. Why do people live in different kinds of houses? People live in different kinds of houses because some houses may be too costly or too big or too small for them. Some may want to build a house for their own. Some they want to build with their own choice. Some may be able to live in a big house. They want to live in a big house, or more members also. Because of that also, they need big house. But may want to live in a smaller house. And some people, they don't want such a big house. If you are 4 members and if your house is 10 rooms or 15 rooms, nowadays you won't get so much. But then too, you don't want such a big so many rooms, so you need small houses. Look at the different houses and guess why someone would live in each of these houses. Here, please see this picture, children. See, this is slum areas. In slum areas, what is that slum, children? Slum which near the city. In that city, in some places there are more houses, but they are not in good condition. They're like, see, you can see this. This is in slum areas. Here also single story. You can see how it is. The condition is not good. Here again multi-story and single story, and separate bungalows also are there. Okay, you understood this? You understood different types of houses, how they are living, right? Okay. I will start giving. Now children, I'll explain you in short. Some houses are made of mud, concrete, cement and bricks. The roofs are also made differently, that is sloping roof or flat roof. Some houses has 2 or 3 rooms or 10 also. Now what is slum? Slums an area of a city where the houses are in bad condition. Slums, actually the meaning of slums is are very crowded with many people, like this, many people living in a same place. Slums may have one room, they may have one room also, and very crowded place. Means many people live and they are very near, and many families used to live in that area. In villages, mud houses are common. They are common. In villages, it is common. In cities, you see people live in bungalows or flats in a multi-story building if they can afford. And sometimes, children, you also must be having your own houses, right? Of your own. And all may not have their own houses. Some they will stay in rent house also. Okay? Now, I'll ask you some question. Why are houses different? Houses are different based on the structure and material with which they are built. Now, second question. Why do people live in different types of houses? People live in different types of houses for different reasons. This is what the reasons I explained you. Because some people, they can't afford, their houses are very costly. Some houses are big, some houses are small. According to that, or their budget, they will do. Okay. Now main point is, despite the difference, all houses give shelter from heat, rain and other dangers. They also allow us to stay together with our loved ones, with our family, right? Now children, take out your workbook. Now children, take out your workbook. Page number 14, S1, different types of houses. Now please observe this picture for 1 minute. I hope you have observed. I'll give you just a second. Number 1, look at the picture carefully and fill in the table. Now please see in this picture, and we have to fill it up in this column. Slowly I'll tell you. Now, question 1. What is this house made of? What it is made of? This house is made up of cement, bricks and wood. Yes, we can see from this picture. Bricks, cement and wood. Second question, second column. Give 2 reasons why someone would live in this house. Now you have to give 2 reasons, children. So point 1, there are many people. Some they can live in this house. Yes, see, this house is very big, no? Many people can stay in this house. Second point, many people do not have money to buy houses. Second reason is, many people they don't have money to buy such a big house. That is one reason. Third column, what is same between this house and your house? Children, please be careful with this question. He is asking what is same between this house. That means you have to compare with your house and this house. Okay? So, first point, there is a tree near my house. Okay? So, there is a tree. I think so trees are there everywhere. So, near your house, you can say that you are having tree near your house. I also have big house. If you have big house, you write big house. If you have small house, you must write small house. Okay? Over. Now children, over. I hope you have understood this lesson, because this is the explanation was little long, but you have to understand what is houses then and now. Now so you will see such a modified houses, even glass houses you have seen, right? Now please children, complete your homework in workbook S1 and be happy, stay home safe. Okay, don't trouble your parents also, children. Now you can sit your own and you can do your work, right? There is no need for anybody's help. You can do by your own, children. How you were doing in 3rd class, same thing. Please sit. Now you are having videos also, YouTube. You can see and you can understand, and then you can read the lesson also and do your homework. Right, children? Good children, very good.